So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can't you tell a green field from a cold steel rail? I smile from a veil. Do you think you can tell? And did they get you to trade your heroes for ghosts? Hard as you for trees, hot as for a good breeze, cold comfort for change. And did you exchange a walk on part in the world for the lead role in a cage? You were here. We're just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. What have we found?